Nobel Prize winner John Mather once said, "There is strength in numbers, but organizing those numbers is a challenge itself." And in the field of business, there's nothing else that shows that strength better than affiliate marketing. So welcome back to the Business Mind channel, your hub for all things business and marketing. In this video, we will be your compass through the latest trends and the most effective strategies that can help you not only navigate but conquer the affiliate marketing landscape. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing success right here on Business Mind. Affiliate Marketing Basics. Let's start our journey in gaining strength through numbers by first understanding affiliate marketing basics. Affiliate marketing, a dynamic business model, brings together merchants, affiliates, and customers in a mutually beneficial ecosystem. This strategy operates on a performance-based model where affiliates promote products or services on behalf of merchants and earn commissions for successful referrals. At its core, affiliate marketing involves three primary players: merchants, affiliates, and customers. Merchants are the business offering products or services, affiliates are the ones promoting these offerings, and customers are the target audience making purchases. Merchants leverage affiliate marketing to expand their reach and increase sales by tapping into diverse audiences that might not be reached through traditional marketing methods. Affiliates, on the other hand, are marketing partners who utilize various tactics like blogging, social media, and content creation to attract customers and drive sales. Affiliates earn commissions based on a percentage of the revenue from each sale they generate through their promotional efforts. For instance, if an affiliate promotes a fitness product and a customer makes a purchase through the affiliate's unique link, the affiliate earns a commission based on the sale amount. This commission-based structure incentivizes affiliates to create compelling content that persuades their audience to convert. Balancing personal interest, market demand, and competition. Now that we have introduced you to the basics, it is now the time for you to select your niche. As a newcomer, it is essential to choose a niche that resonates with you personally. Passion and genuine interest fuel dedication, helping you produce content that connects authentically with your audience. Begin by identifying your hobbies, expertise, or areas of fascination. Your familiarity with a niche will translate into more compelling and engaging promotional content. While personal interest is crucial, it is equally vital to consider market demand and competition. Conduct thorough research to identify niches with a significant audience base. Use tools like keyword research and trend analysis to gauge the popularity of specific topics. Additionally, assess the level of competition. A balance between demand and competition ensures your efforts don't go unnoticed in a saturated market. Exploring evergreen niches and emerging trends. Evergreen niches, those with consistent demand regardless of trends, offer stability for affiliates. Niches like health, finance, and personal development tend to remain relevant over time. However, exploring emerging trends can also be rewarding. New technologies, lifestyle changes, and societal shifts often give rise to fresh niches that can capture audience attention. Consider trends that align with your interest and show potential for growth. For instance, sustainable and eco-friendly products have gained momentum due to increased consumer awareness. E-commerce driven by changes in shopping behavior presents opportunities for affiliates to tap into the digital marketplace. Building a strong affiliate presence. To establish your strength in numbers, you must first be worthy to be in the number. In the dynamic realm of affiliate marketing, crafting a strong online presence isn't just a step, it is a strategic cornerstone for success. Your brand isn't confined to corporations, it is your identity as an affiliate marketer. Authenticity is a bedrock of effective affiliate marketing. Sharing personal experiences and stories creates a genuine connection, fostering trust and driving engagement. By establishing an authentic relationship with your customers as an affiliate, you're paving the way to connections that will benefit your business success in the long run. And isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of your goal, which is business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we've set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. Effective affiliate strategies. In the intricate landscape of affiliate marketing, mastering diverse strategies is key to achieving remarkable results. This includes essential techniques, including content marketing, email marketing, and social media promotion, each with its unique dynamics and real-world impact. But don't worry, since there are basically strategies for getting rich, BizMind is here to help you. Strategy: content marketing. Content marketing involves crafting compelling content that provides value to your audience while seamlessly integrating affiliate promotions. Create blog posts, videos, or guides that genuinely address your audience's needs, subtly incorporating affiliate products where they enhance the user experience. For instance, a fitness blogger could create a comprehensive workout guide recommending fitness gear throughout. Strategy: email marketing. Email marketing thrives on nurturing relationships and delivering targeted content. Build an email list by offering valuable resources or incentives. Regularly send engaging newsletters containing valuable insights and product recommendations. Craft personalized emails based on user preferences and behavior. For instance, a fashion affiliate might send curated style tips along with links to featured clothing items. Strategy: social media promotion. Social media is a dynamic stage for affiliate marketing. Develop engaging content that resonates with your audience and seamlessly integrates affiliate promotions. Share authentic product experiences, testimonials, or user-generated content. For example, a tech influencer could create engaging videos showcasing how a gadget has improved their daily life. Strategy: storytelling as a final ingredient. Storytelling is the secret sauce that binds these strategies together. Stories humanize your content, evoking emotions and forging connections. Share personal anecdotes about how affiliate products positively impacted your life. By intertwining these stories with product recommendations, you establish trust and credibility, driving conversions. Imagine a travel blogger weaving a tale of transformative journey, recommending travel essentials along the way. In the intricate dance of affiliate marketing, a harmonious blend of content marketing, email marketing, and social media promotion, all infused with authentic storytelling, creates an orchestra of value, engagement, and trust. By wielding these strategies adeptly, you'll be poised to navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing and orchestrate success in 2023 and beyond. Affiliate networks and programs. Affiliate network serves as bridges connecting affiliates with a multitude of brands and products. For beginners, they provide a launchpad into the affiliate marketing universe. Popular networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale offer a diverse array of products spanning various niches. Variety and tracking in affiliate networks. These networks present a treasure trove of products, allowing affiliates to choose offerings that align with their interests and audience. This product variety caters to a wide spectrum of audiences, increasing the likelihood of finding products that resonate. Additionally, affiliate networks provide robust tracking tools. These tools offer insights into crucial metrics like clicks, conversions, and earnings. The data empowers affiliates to fine-tune their strategies, optimizing for high conversions and revenue. Selecting reliable and high-converting programs. Amid the multitude of programs, selecting the right ones can be a game changer. Focus on reputable programs known for fair commission structures and timely payments. Research your brand's reputation, product quality, and customer service to ensure alignment with your values. High-converting programs are those that resonate with your audience's needs and preferences. Consider your audience's demographics, interests, and pain points. A program that addresses these aspects is more likely to drive conversions. The crucial role of tracking performance. Analytics tools act as a compass, steering your affiliate journey in the right direction. By meticulously tracking data, you unveil what's effective and what needs adjustment. This data-driven approach illuminates audience behaviors, preferences, and engagement patterns. Let's start by deciphering key metrics: CTR, conversion rates, and EPC. Click-through rates, or CTR. This metric unveils the ratio of clicks or impressions portraying your content's allure to audiences. Conversion rates. A high conversion rate signifies that your content adeptly guides clicks into actual conversions. Earnings per click, or EPC. This metric provides a snapshot of your affiliate's link's effectiveness in generating revenue. Adapting strategies based on insights. These metrics hold actionable insights. Low CTR suggests content enhancement, while low conversion rates might prompt a re-evaluation or product alignment. Tailor strategies according to insights. Create more of what resonates and reconfigure what lags. In the dynamic arena of affiliate marketing, analyzing performance data steers you towards success, optimizing efforts and strategies. It's akin to recalibrating sails to navigate turbulent waters. By harnessing performance data, you perpetuate growth and fine-tune your affiliate journey. And there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs, a comprehensive journey through the landscape of affiliate marketing in 2023. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is an ongoing adventure, and staying informed about trends and strategies is your compass. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Business Mind channel for more insightful content on business strategies, marketing tips, and the latest trends. Dream big and achieve bigger with us here on Business Mind. Your support fuels our mission to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need for success. Business Mind, signing off.